Don Luke Electronics. The Alpha Geek, geeking out. If you go to bed at night without learning something new that day, your day is not complete. Luke Paquin, 1973. Project number 22, Synthesizer, Theremin, Mk02. Theremin. The theremin was invented in 1920 by a Russian physicist named Lev Termen. Today, this marvelous instrument is once again in the musical spotlight. Besides looking like no other instrument, the theremin is unique in that it is played without being touched. Two antennas protrude from the theremin, one controlling pitch, and the other controlling volume. As a hand approaches the vertical antenna, the pitch gets higher. Approaching the horizontal antenna makes the volume softer. Because there is no physical contact with the instrument, playing the theremin in a precise melodic way requires practiced skill and keen attention to pitch. The electric signals from the theremin are amplified and sent to a loudspeaker. In the late 1920s, RCA produced approximately 500 theremins, manufactured by General Electric and Westinghouse. Today, it is estimated that only half of these still exist. The spooky sound of the theremin was used in several movie soundtracks during the 1950s and 1960s. Electronic music pioneer Robert Moog built theremins long before he built synthesizers. In the 1960s, he produced such models as the wedge-shaped Vanguard theremin and the shoebox-shaped Moog Melodia theremin. It provided background mood music for such sci-fi classics. During the 60s and 70s, bands such as Lothar and the Hand People, the Bonzo Doo Dah Dog Band, and Led Zeppelin brought the theremin into the public eye for a short time. Theremin and Arduino Pro Mini and ultrasonic sensor and MOTSI. Arduino Pro Mini does not come with connectors populated so that you can solder in any connector or wire with any orientation you need. This is the ultrasonic distance sensor. This economical sensor provides 2 cm to 400 cm of non-contact measurement functionality. The ultrasonic range detectors replace the antenna of the traditional theremin. Control the frequency, pitch, of the output. Operation of the sensor is straightforward. The Arduino sends a digital pulse to the trig pin of the sensor, causing it to emit a burst of high-frequency audio. If an echo is detected, the sensor toggles the echo pin, which is monitored by the Arduino. By measuring the time delay between the outgoing pulse and returning echo, we can calculate the distance. As sound takes 29 microseconds to travel 1 cm, and must travel out and back, we can divide the time to the echo by May 8 to get the distance in mm. The project uses the MOTSI audio library to generate a sine table for oscillator, which is sent to the output.
Now, since the theremin is antenna, 1 pitch and 1 volume, this antenna mean no. So go to check the MOSI, the F for music, and once his 2 or 3 the theremin for the MOSI detector. But me here, I don't wear, yes, but me no. Check the theremin for electronic sensor, and good. So this good. So Arduino Pro Mini here, check here, speaker, and that's it. So this is theremins in hands here, and see the sound. And now the Synthesizer, Theremin, this Arduino Pro Mini here, basic here, jack here, speaker, protrude sound here, and that's it. The echo here and trigger, and that's it. The Theremin and here, Mosey here, rate and this and average here, trigger and echo here, speaker, volume, and hookup for Mosey. Setup for electronic sound here, distance, so the trigger and pitch here, high and low for the delay, and this delay for Mosey, this average, and update, and that's it. Here, sound for echo here, and start Mosey. That's it. The speaker dead, so another one. So see the Theremin. This is good, but the sounds range and this, and see what for Theremin no. So this is good, but range bad. So now Synthesizer good, but now better. Bye-bye.
Don Luke Electronics. https://www.jlpconsultants.com/luc. JLP Consultants. Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram.